Road surveyors play a vital role in the construction and maintenance of roads in Faridabad. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys and assessments to gather important data for road design and improvement projects. Road surveyors utilize various tools and techniques to accurately measure and map the terrain, assess the condition of existing roads, and identify potential obstacles or hazards. Their expertise and findings are crucial in determining the most effective design and engineering solutions for road infrastructure in Faridabad. One of the key aspects of road surveying in Faridabad is SCON design. SCON stands for Survey Control Network, which refers to a network of points strategically placed throughout an area to establish a reference system for accurate survey measurements. The SCON design ensures that all survey data collected by road surveyors is aligned with a common coordinate system, enabling seamless integration of information from different surveys and facilitating precise road design and construction. The SCON design is meticulously planned and executed by road surveyors, considering factors such as the area's topography, desired level of accuracy, and the specific requirements of the road project. In Faridabad, road surveyors utilize advanced technology and equipment to carry out their tasks efficiently and accurately. They employ tools such as total stations, DGPs receivers, laser scanners, and digital levels to collect precise measurements and capture detailed information about the existing terrain. These instruments allow road surveyors to record data in real time, reducing the chances of errors and improving the overall quality of the survey. In addition, specialized software is used to process and analyze the collected data, creating comprehensive reports that serve as valuable references for road designers, engineers, and construction teams. In Faridabad, road surveyors are essential to the building and upkeep of the city's roads. These experts are in charge of performing surveys and evaluations to compile crucial information for road design and improvement initiatives. Road surveyors use a variety of instruments and methods to precisely measure and map the topography, evaluate the state of the existing roads, and spot any risks or impediments. Their knowledge and research are essential in choosing the best technical and design approaches for Faridabad's road infrastructure. SCON design is one of the most important elements of road surveying in Faridabad. SCON, short for Survey Control Network, is a term used to describe a network of points that are carefully distributed around a region in order to create a reference framework for precise survey measurements. By ensuring that all survey data gathered by road surveyors is aligned with a single coordinate system, the SCON design makes it possible to seamlessly combine data from various surveys and to create precise road designs and constructions. Road surveyors carefully prepare and carry out the SCON design while taking into account the topography of the area, the desired level of accuracy, and the unique requirements of the road project. Road surveyors in Faridabad carry out their work quickly and precisely by using cutting-edge equipment and technology. To take precise measurements and document the existing terrain, they use technologies including total stations, DGPs receivers, laser scanners, and digital levels.